Hey, coming out here today to check on the weather. I better not be out here in this air. Okay. The time, March the 15th, Saturday, 2025. It's high noon, 12:16 p.m. Okay, now let's check on the weather. Okay. We are at 60 degrees. Hey. Air quality today, it says very unhealthy. I wonder why. It says it's 154. That's the highest it's ever been. My. Going to be in the 40s and the 50s all week. Very unhealthy air today. That's the highest it's ever been, 154. Jeez, I'm not coming out today. Not very much anyway. That's the air quality. Air quality, 154. That's bad. Now why don't you? All that stuff they spraying up there. That's the high noon sun for today. Yeah, I'm not going to be out here too long, so click that like button, hit that subscribe button. Oh, remember to keep your eyes on the skies. Keep them up. The air is very unhealthy today. Yeah. Got a lot of fog. That's all that spray they've been spraying this morning. They said they were spraying some black stuff yesterday. It's very windy today. I shall talk to y'all later. Yeah, keep your eyes in the skies.